Anong di may kukuha? Tatapi lang dapat ako di daros-dos. Maulog.
Ganun kasimple, Lollipops. Ganun lang siya kadali. Hello, Lollipops! It's me again, Jen Macinas, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how we harvest rice, the widely cultivated source of food, especially in Asia. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So let's begin. This is it, Lollipops. We're now on the way to our rice farm. So we're now walking. Medyo malayo, pero carry naman. So I'm with my family. Of course, my mama, my papa, my sister, and her boyfriend. So yes, we're now on the way. Naglalakad kami papunta sa aming palayan.
Kukuha. Tatapi lang dapat ako di daros-dos.
talaga sa farm, sa bukid, you really need to wear jacket or pajama, pants, you know, to protect our skin from sunlight. Ang kawawa. Angkal. Lollipops, we're already at the farm. So, of course, kapag nasa farm tayo, we need to wear jacket and a pair of pajama or pants, to protect our skin from sunlight. So, here, look at the farm. At this moment, I'm gonna show you how we harvest rice. As what I've said a while ago, in this video, we'll show you how we harvest rice. So this is it. So I am here ashab. I don't know how you call it in your place, but here in our place, here in the province in Bicol, we call it ashab, or in other words, gapas or kari. So now we're going to show you how we harvest the rice. All you have to do is hold the rice and cut it through the ashab. Let me show you how we do it. What you're gonna do is just need to hold the rice and cut it through the ashab. Just like this. And then another one. As simple as that. You have to do it again and again hanggang matapos. Let's do it. And here, iniipon namin siya in one place only para mas madali sa taong magpa-process nito. At ngayon naman, Lollipops, ako ay maghahakot din para dalhin dito yung mga na-harvest. So, let's do this.
Mahulog.
Simple Lollipops. Ganun lang siya kadali, pero nakakapagod talaga. OMG Lollipops, grabe, nakakapagod, tapos sobrang init pa. Grabe. I salute talaga to all the farmers out there. Nakaka-proud kayo na kahit sobrang nakakapagod, kahit mainit, kinakaya niyo pa din. At this moment, Lollipops, mukhang uulan. So, kailangan namin takpan yung na-harvest namin for today. So, tatakpan lang namin. Tinakpan lang namin siya, Lollipops, kasi tingnan nyo naman yung panahon. Mukhang uulan, so hindi siya pwedeng mabasa. Kaya yan, tinakpan namin. At this moment, babalik muna kami doon sa kubo para magpahinga. Time to rest for a while. This is it, Lollipops. Maghahakot ulit. At this moment, Lollipops, we're back here at the kubo because we'll now take lunch. Lollipops. As you can see, I'm already at home and I'm already at my room. Grabe, sobrang init. And yes, look at me. I'm super haggard. Yes, I'll just fix myself and I'll be back again later. Here I am again, Lollipops. Done freshen up. Freshen up ulit. So yes, thank you for watching, Lollipops. I guess that's it for today. I have nothing more to say except for let's always thank or let's always support our farmers because if you eat 3 times a day, then you should thank them also 3 times. So that's it, Lollipops. Of course, I would like also to take this opportunity to thank everyone for supporting me as always. And of course, thank you for watching my videos. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, Lollipops. See you in my next video. Bye.